Hello Hurricane Power fans, Billy from Commercial Lawn Equipment in Nashville, Tennessee, here to share another Hurricane Z3 stand-on blower video with you. Today I'd like to demonstrate just how easy it is for the first-time user to operate this machine. I set up an appointment with one of our regular customers to come to one of his customers' properties to let him use this machine to see just how easy it is to operate. This property in the past with 2 to 3 men running backpack blowers has taken about 4 to 4.5 hours to clear out the whole job. Today I was personally in and out of there in about 35 minutes. What I did was I showed up, gave him a little bit of instruction, and then just cut him loose and let him try the machine to kind of self-teach himself how it works and what it's capable of. As you watch him go through the yard here moving the leaves, it's picking up each and everything, and it's just keeping it nice and tight. This front yard alone, as you notice the timer on the video, was cut in half, I think in less than 4 minutes. The front yard with 2 people on it usually takes about 45 minutes to get it clear when it's dry like it is right now. So also it is necessary that I share with you, this is the very first time this guy has run this machine at this property right here. So imagine how efficient you can be once you get yourself or one of your workers trained on how easy this is to use. Give me a call, let me know if you'd like to set up an appointment so you can try this firsthand to see if it works for you. But I will tell you that it's probably the most efficient way I've ever been able to see someone clear a yard with dry leaves or wet leaves. If you look at my other videos, I've moved soaking wet leaves at a small farm out in Christiana, Tennessee. So this machine is very capable. So I hope you enjoy the video. Give me a call if I can do a demonstration at your property at 615-479-5296. You can also email me, bill@commerciallawn.equipment.com, and I'm available for this personal demonstration anywhere in Middle Tennessee to support any of our 5 locations in Lebanon, Clarksville, Hendersonville, Murfreesboro, and Nashville. Thanks again for watching the video. Thanks again for watching the video. Keep in mind that Commercial Lawn Equipment, we're not just an Exmark dealer. We have other manufacturers who can help you with your leaf removal and debris cleanup, from Little Wonder to Billy Goat to Red Max. Please give us a call for pricing and availability on any of their products. Thanks again.